In this short example video, I'm going to show you a simple ad video made with PowerPoint, text-to-speech audio files, and free music and video files.
Come take a Mediterranean dream vacation. The crystal clear blue waters, sandy beaches, and delicious cuisine make it a top destination. Popular destinations include Italy, Greece, Spain, and France, each offering unique experiences for travelers. Whether you're interested in exploring ancient ruins, relaxing on sandy beaches, or indulging in local delicacies, the Mediterranean hits the spot. Relax at the end of the day by sailing on a yacht and sipping cocktails at sunset as you take in the mesmerizing views of the Mediterranean coastline. With its rich history and diverse cultures, the Mediterranean offers something for everyone. One of the best things about a Mediterranean vacation is the variety of landscapes you can experience. From the rugged coastlines of Spain to the rolling hills of Tuscany, there is no shortage of stunning scenery to take in. Whether you prefer lounging on the beach or hiking through picturesque villages, the Mediterranean has it all. In addition to its natural beauty, the Mediterranean is also known for its vibrant culture. From the bustling markets of Istanbul to the lively cafes of Barcelona, there is always something new to discover. You can sample fresh seafood in Greece, sip wine in France, or explore historic sites in Italy. The possibilities are endless. Another highlight of a Mediterranean vacation is the chance to try different cuisines. From tapas in Spain to meze in Turkey, each country has its own unique flavors to offer. Whether you are a foodie looking to indulge in gourmet meals or a casual diner seeking simple yet delicious dishes, you will find what you're looking for here. Overall, a Mediterranean vacation is an unforgettable experience that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. So why wait? Start planning your trip and get ready to immerse yourself in the beauty and culture of this magical region. Book your vacation today. Contact Seabreeze Travel today. Mention this ad and get 15% off of any of our Mediterranean dream trip packages.